Miele Dishwasher F51 Error Code 2025 is a specific issue that occurs in Miele dishwashers, and this tutorial will guide you through understanding and resolving the problem. First, it is essential to understand what the error code means. The F51 error code indicates a problem with the water supply or drainage system of the dishwasher. To troubleshoot the issue, start by checking the water supply to ensure it is turned on and the supply lines are not kinked or blocked. Next, inspect the drain hose for any blockages or kinks, and ensure it is properly connected to the dishwasher and the sink drain. The 2025 part of the error code provides more specific information about the problem. In this case, it indicates a faulty or blocked drain pump filter. To resolve this issue, you need to clean or replace the drain pump filter. To do this, locate the filter, usually found at the bottom of the dishwasher, and remove any debris or food particles that may be blocking it. Regular maintenance is crucial to prevent such issues from occurring in the future. It is recommended to check and clean the drain pump filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage. Additionally, running a cleaning cycle or a hot water cycle with a dishwasher cleaner can help remove grease and food residue that can cause blockages. If after troubleshooting and maintenance, the error code persists, it may be necessary to consult a professional for further assistance. It is also essential to refer to the user manual or manufacturer's website for specific instructions and guidelines for your particular Miele dishwasher model. By following these steps and maintaining your dishwasher regularly, you can resolve the Miele Dishwasher F51 Error Code 2025 and ensure your appliance continues to function efficiently and effectively.